Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of class 5. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this science video I am going to continue lesson number 16, light. Open your science book, page number 113, 113. As you already know that we have covered two topics of this chapter. The first topic is about light and the second topic is how light travels. Now in today's science video, I am going to give you the explanation about the third topic of this chapter, which is reflection. What is reflection, or what do you mean by reflection? The bouncing back of the light rays from the surface of an object is called reflection. When the light rays fall on a surface, some of the rays bounce back, and this bouncing back of phenomena is called reflection. For example, if you switch on a torch light and you mark it in front of mirror, what will ultimately happen? The light from the torch hits the mirror and some light rays will reflect back. These bouncing back of the light rays is called the phenomena reflection. The phenomena is called reflection, and we say that light is reflected. Now, example of reflection. What type of surfaces can reflect light, or when the surface cannot reflect light, so how you are able to see the things? The shiny surfaces reflect more light than other surfaces. For example, mirrors reflect light because they have shiny surfaces. Most of the mirrors are made up of glass which has been painted silver on one side. Since light rays are straight, so we can change their direction quite easily by using a mirror. Because when we point out the light rays in one direction, ultimately its reflection will be in the other direction. So if we want to change the direction, it is possible for us. On the other hand, most objects cannot make their own light, but they can reflect light. So we can see the objects around us because light is being reflected off them into our eyes. At night, when it is dark, objects are hard to see because little light is shining on them. But when we switch on an electric light, what will happen? The objects reflect more light, and now we can see them more clearly and more easily. So this is the whole phenomena of reflection. I hope you all get my point. Now I am sharing with you the image, a simple picture of reflection. As you can see that there is a mirror, and this red ray is called incident ray because this is the ray which is coming out from the torch light. And when this incident ray hits the mirror, it will go in the same angle. The incident ray and the reflected ray makes up the same angle. And this green line is the reflected ray which will reflect back. This is the simple image of reflection. Now moving on towards the bending of light rays. How the light rays bends, or how light bends. Light travels in straight lines, but sometimes it bends. The bending of light rays happens when the light rays travels from one clear substance into another. For example, you can understand the bending of light rays with the help of an experiment. I am sharing with you the experiment. Now, take a glass and half fill it with water. Now place a pencil at an angle in the water. Look through the side of your glass. You will see that the pencil looks bent where it meets the water. This bending of the pencil is actually showing you the phenomena of bending of light rays. You can see in the picture also, when you have put the pencil in the glass, at the very end where the pencil nib is joining the glass, the pencil nib is bending. So this is all for today, class 5. Now what is your home assignment? Open your science copies and write down the first question with blue color. Before writing the question, must write down the date, today's date. Now what is the question? What is meant by reflection? You have to write down the definition of reflection along with one example. Now the second question, how light rays bend. You have to write down the bending of light rays along with the experiment. Complete these given questions in your science exercise copy. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you with the further on topics. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, class 5.